Hello and welcome to my channel Nature's Friend. I am Amardeep and this is a box of Gigabyte Gaming B550X. It supports socket AM4, PCI 4 ready, NVMe SSD ready, and it doesn't support the Ryzen 3000 APUs but Ryzen 3000, 4000 CPUs and 4000 APUs. Here are the naming and the branding and the other details about manufacturing and company and other sockets, and everything is written in different language here. And here also the same. Now let's go to the back side. Here is you can see the heat sinks and the motherboard, the IO panel, and CPU support, CPU socket, and all other things which you can pause the video and read. And it supports 10 plus 3 digital power design. It has smart fans, 5 smart fan sockets, and 6 temperature sensors, hybrid fan headers into 5. It supports RGB Fusion 2 into 3 into 2, supports 2 digital addressable and 3 RGB LED pin headers. It has BIOS Q flash, so that if we put a 4000 series processor in this, we can flash the BIOS and use the 4000 series processors. And the advanced thermal designs, the MOFAST and large MOFAST heat sinks and all others, the advanced pin and the gigabit lane, 1000 Mbps lane. It has dual PCI 4 M.2 slot and all other things. Now let's open the box. Let's do the unboxing. I have bought this in INR rupees 12,000. Now let's let's cut the seal. And the seal gets cut. Now let's reveal the motherboard. Yes, weight. How much weight? Okay. Yes. I'm handing it to my father first. After that we will do the unboxing. Now let's open the box. Let's take out the motherboard first and see the accessories what is given inside the box. There is two SATA cables up to 6 Gbps SATA 3. One cable is angled at 90 degrees, so it will be easy to plug in. And this is user manual guide. You must read if you want full knowledge. And this is CD driver. I don't know why the companies are investing in these CDs. There is no need of the CDs nowadays. So no problem, they are giving because everything is available online on Gigabyte website and all other things. No one has CD drivers. There's optical drivers in their PCs nowadays. Let's put this aside and take out the. Oh my God, the knife should have fallen on my leg. Now just take out the motherboard. How? From where it will come out? Oh yes, okay. Now just, if you don't have any anti-static or anti-static like what mat or anything, just keep it on your motherboard box, because inside it is safe. On it will also safe there, so no problem. Like if you build PC very occasionally, then you should have a mat. But if you don't have and you build PC in some years or 5 years, then you should use the motherboard box or a wooden table, anything. Now see the look. Here is the IO panel. 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1, one red color USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 USB 2.0, one DVI, one HDMI, 1 gigabit lane, and all other things. And now see the MOFAST heat sinks. They are so large, so no heating problem in this, I think. And we can do overclock up to Ryzen 7 series. See the heat sinks, Gaming X logo, the chipset of motherboard. These are the front USB 2 headers, and this is USB 3 header, and these are all the front panels in your cabinet, power switch, reset switch, and all the things. And these are some fan ports. Focus and other optical drives. Focus. Oh my God, what is this? Focus, man. Oh yes, it is focus. Now these two M.2 slots are PCI 4 as written on their website and box, and M.2 slots are on PCI 4. This is our CPU socket, AM4 socket, and this is 24 pin adapter or slot, we can say, not adapter, sorry. and we have two SATA ports here, 0 and 1, and two SATA ports here, 3 and 2 and 3. So we have only 4 SATA ports in this, and this is PCI 4 graphic card, and this is slot, and this is PCI 3 graphic card slot. And let's take a look again. There's USB 2.0 2 and one PSU and keyboard mouse jack, one DVI, one HDMI, one BIOS 3.2 Gen 1, and then two blue color USB 3 Gen 1 and one USB 3.2 Gen 2 in red color, then 1000 Mbps lane, and that other audio solutions are there, input, output, and dual. This is the Realtek audio solution in this. And let's come to the RAM section. As you can see, there are 4 RAM slots. First, let's take a look on the fan headers. There are total 5 fan pin headers. Here is the first, and the CPU power socket is also here, the 8 pin, and there alongside the screw there is first CPU fan header, and the one is CPU. Here is the fan header 3, and second is there, down one there. Yes, and everything is written, and please subscribe to my channel. Everything is written on the motherboard. There is no problem. You will get 5 fans including the CPU fan. So there are only 4 extra pins of fan. Now there are 4 RAM slots, and the both sides have locks. Yes, this is good. Both sides have lock. Some motherboards have only single side lock. There it can support total 128 GB, and each slot can support 32 GB single memory maximum. And now see the overall look of the motherboard. And this is the VRM section, 10 plus 3 phase VRM, very good VRM, no problem up to Ryzen 7 3800X, and I am using Ryzen 5 3600X in this, so no problem at all. And all other things you can see, and you can check the website for more details. This was the overview and unboxing of Gigabyte gaming motherboard B550 Gaming X. So thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel. And look, this is my processor which I am using with it. This delivered today itself, AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. I will provide a video of this review also, review and unboxing. The processor is in the temple in my house. That's why it is not in the box. Zen 2 architecture, AMD socket AM4, and all other things, so clocked or clockable. And thank you very much. Like, share, and subscribe to my video, and please stay tuned for new videos. Thank you very much.